This is going to be a short video on these new air conditioning fittings for tapping a line in the Freon lines, the high and low side. These are relatively new, or they just got familiar with them now. In the old days I used to cut the line and put a Schrader valve in. But basically what these fittings do is with gas still in the system, you obviously take the inners apart, and this snaps over to 3/8 or whatever size line you purchased them for. You silver solder this up and you pressure test it, and then at that point in time you're supposed to put this piercer piece in place, and when you tighten down the cap it pierces the line. But let me give you a little more detail. There's this little plastic piece that's really the seal, and that's got to go over the piercer, slides down like that. Then you put this in there, and then you tighten it down, and several things happen, and I'll try to show it to you. Because at first I thought I put it in, and what's to stop it from shooting back out again? Which after I called the company up, what they said is, after you put it together, you tighten the nut down, and if you look closely, is a very thin lip that as you tighten, and inside the nut there is a bevel, and as you tighten the nut down, what it does, it rolls this top edge over, kind of like an inverse flare fitting, and when it rolls it over, it actually captures this piece that's always inside. So you tighten it down, you roll it over, and when you unscrew it, this piece will not come out because it's rolled over. And then at that point in time you could access the refrigerant.